everyone, it's Tammy, and I just have a little piece of mail here, and I thought I would do an unboxing. Where's it from? Dream Gem. And I have been ordering some stuff from an auction, and this is from the auction. How about that? So it's called Tophatter, and it's an app. You can download it on your phone, on your smartphone, and you can bid on things that are really inexpensive. Now they come from China, so they are not the best. Actually, this is kind of junky. You can kind of see how the herringbone is not put together. Like, I think I can help fix it, but yeah, it's obviously not real. But I think that this cost me like $2 or something, and I mean, I don't know why I'm doing all this costume jewelry lately, but I'm liking it. And Tophatter is really kind of fun. You can go on there and bid on things and know right away if you've won, because they don't last for very long. Okay, I can't open the clasp though. That's a problem. I don't know if it's just stuck. Great necklace. And it has mixed reviews, because I do like to look at reviews when I'm doing stuff. And it has mixed reviews, which is actually what I would expect. Okay, now I got the clasp to work. And, I mean, it's nice enough. It looks like it's about 18 inches. I don't know. I'm guessing. Oh, it's longer than that, maybe. Oh, no, maybe not. Okay, this is 12. So there's 12. And then 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and a half, really. Unless I include the whole clasp, then it would be 18 inches. So, I mean, it's not the longest. And you can look at the descriptions in Tophatter, and it will show you, it'll tell you a little bit about it. Now, I ordered this probably just, I don't know, 3 days ago, and it's already here. Maybe a little longer than that. It had to have been longer than that now that I'm thinking about it, but it really hasn't been that long. I still have glitter on my desk. So it really hasn't been that long, and, you know, I think it's all right. All right, well, thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day. Bye-bye.